Hello, hi Rajiv ji. Good morning. Kamal here from Mirasangeet.com and a warm welcome to you today once again on our show Chat and Chai.
Thank you, Kamal ji. Good morning to you as well.
कैसे हैं राजीव जी आप?
All good, very, very good.
Okay. So Rajiv ji, some queries here sent in by our listeners. The first one here says, in terms of scheduling an interview, are there any special considerations of an expedited appointment?
Expedited appointment. Well, first of all, we don't know what kind of case it is. Is it a family-based case? Is it an employment-based case? Is it an interview in India? Is it an interview in USA? So there's a whole lot of information missing. I have no idea what we are talking about.
Okay. So anyways, we'll ask the listener to send in more information about him.
Yes.
And we can take this forward.
Yes, I need those answers, the questions that I just asked. What kind of interview is it? Is it in USA? Is it in India? Is it employment based? Is it family based? Give us some more details.
Okay. The second question here is from a listener, Rajiv, who says, I've been here in the United States for the last 7 years or so. My husband is a citizen here, runs a business here in the United States. I have 2 children who were born here in the US, but I somehow have not chosen to go in for my citizenship. I am a green card holder and I frequent to India. In the sense, it's once in 2 years or so. I'll be going down for my brother's marriage, and I was wondering how long can I continue staying there without any issue?
So less than 6 months without any issue.
Okay. And the next question here on Mira Sangeet is, how long will it take to get a receipt notice for my H-1B petition that was not filed with premium processing?
It is my understanding it can take between 2 and 6 weeks.
Okay. Now moving on to another question here, Rajivji. It says, moving out of the USA for a year while H-1B has not expired, what could be the consequences? I just wanted to know.
That's a very difficult question to answer because I don't know what kind of consequences do you want me to address. Briefly, if your job in the United States is still available when you try to re-enter USA on H-1, it's no problem. You can continue with the same H-1 as long as you have a good explanation for the break. If you're asked at the airport, well, you have an H-1 in USA, why did you leave for 1 year? And if you left for 1 year, who was doing your work, the H-1 work that you're supposed to be doing in the United States for that particular employer? So as long as you have an explanation, there is no law that says you've got to stay in the United States all the way through the H-1. Another possible consequences is if you want to just stay outside USA and come back for 6 more years subject to the quota, you can do that once you've been outside USA for 1 year. So I'm not sure exactly what implications you're looking for. Be more specific and definitely I'll be happy to address it for you.
Sure. So Rajivji, these were the queries sent in by our listeners here on Mirasangeet.com.
Always a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajivji. Have a good day ahead.
You too, ma'am. Bye-bye.